guys. So just map it. Aiea Heiau Park. H-E-I-A-U. H-E-I-A-U. And Aiea is spelled A-I-E-A. It's all vowels. Do I take the sharp left?
No, just keep going.
Oh.
Follow the road. Follow the yellow road. See this middle strip?
Follow the yellow. Oh, look at that view! Ah. This view, watch this view, you guys are gonna freak out. Oh my gosh, you can see it, look. Oh my. What a nice views over here.
Okay, so we're coming to the entrance of the park.
Okay, so this is the road to the park. We are on Aiea Heights Drive. Aiea Heights Drive. So throw that in your Google Maps. If you want to just walk in the parking lot, then yeah, do that. If you want to head out, check out some trails, you can do that as well. Look at these dogs. Oh, there's the name. Okay, so we can see the name of the place.
Stop by the sign.
I can try. There's nobody coming out.
There's nobody coming out. Stop. Right there.
Keaiwa Heiau-State Recreation Area.
Okay.
Oh, go back. I like press the picture. Okay.
This is the Heiau right here.
This is the Heiau. This is where the Hawaiian people bury their loved ones.
This is like a prayer area.
See all the rocks that they stacked? This has been stacked for centuries, decades, centuries.
I know it's just in Heiau, so I don't know how it all works.
Wow. Amazing. Check it out. It's like awesome right there.
Stop.
You want to park down here?
No, stop.
Can we park right here or is all handicaps parking?
Sure. Just park.
Okay, we're gonna get out. Hold on, take a look.
Okay.
Can we show them?
We're gonna continue again. We'll get out.
Okay, let's just go slow. Oh, there's cats in there. Wow. My endurance level is not that much.
You can turn it off over the one.
Camping grounds right here. Where's the car, honey? Move. Move, honey. Campsites, restrooms, and parking. Inside. Car, babe. Car. Wow. Okay, moving on. I don't know exactly how high we are up, but I'm gonna go look it up. Yeah, I mean, if you're experienced, then by all means go down here. But if you don't know what you're doing like me, avoid it. Stick to the paved areas. Check out how they did the power lines. It's freaking amazing. Okay, trekking on. Okay, we came from. Let's not go too high, babe, because I'm gonna have to walk all the way down.
Right around.
How far is that?
It ain't that bad. We're almost to the top already.
We came from down there. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. I can't walk, babe. I gotta stop. It's a good place to learn how to drive.
There's a lot of people on the trails.
Let's just give you a view of where we came from. So this just goes all the way around. More cars coming. Chickens. Buck, 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 buck. So if you guys ever want to come here, I'll show you the sign. There's a car coming. Okay, so park opens at 7, closes at 6:45. Car can. Oh boy, come this way, babe. Okay. Okay, maybe I should stop here.
Look at all the areas where there's a pathway or trails going to Oahu and Aiea Heights. Somehow it's showing us it's like all connected. Okay, so we're in the top. Oh yeah, Heights now. There's a lot of people coming up, going on the trail, just passing by. So we're on the top of the world. And there's parking and there's bathrooms.